Hi everybody, Alex Deployer from Expert Forex, and in today's video I just want to review the currencies relative to each other, in other words their relative strength over various periods. Now today is the 30th of January 2017, so what I'm showing you is particular to today, and we're going to be looking at the 360 degree indicator, the one that actually supplies all the information that we're going to be talking about. So looking at this indicator, it gives you the relative strength of currencies compared to each other over various periods of time. So it runs from 3 months, 1 month, 1 week, 1 day, 12 hours, 6 hours, and 3 hours. So it gives quite a good view. You can see the long-term trends, you can see the short-term trends, really a great tool. So let's have a look at some of the information that we can gather from this indicator. And I'm going to be quite quick, can't spend too much time on this video. The pound has gained 3,800 pips, and we measure this movement in pips, the most easy to understand currency for Forex traders. At the same time, the yen has lost 5,800 pips over the last 3 months. And then we can look at how which currencies have done the best over the last month, the last week, last day, and so on. If you want more information about the last 3 months, you just click on the 3 month period, and it then shows the gains that the pound have made compared to its trading partners. So it has gained tremendously compared to all of its trading partners, the worst or the best gain being the yen. The yen, on the other hand, has lost compared to all its other trading partners, and the biggest loss has been to the pound. So all interesting information, certainly from a 3 month perspective, but when we get to the shorter periods, it starts getting more interesting. You can also drill down into the actual currencies. So if we wanted to look at the euro, for instance, over the same periods compared to its trading partners, you can do that. You can see the euro's been weak in the long term, but stronger in the short term, but has lost against the yen. So it gives you a very quick picture. If we flip through the currencies very quickly, you can see the dollar's lost quite a lot all over the show. The pound has gained quite nicely, but it has had periods where it's lost. The yen has lost a lot in the long term, but is gaining back in the short term quite strongly. Really good information. The franc is a bit all over the show. You've got to be careful about which currency you compare the franc with. The Aussie also a little bit all over the show, but we're seeing more reds than greens. And the New Zealand is very strong in the long term, but in the short term there are some recoveries being made by the other currencies. Very interesting information. And then we have, at the same time, we can see the readings on the RSI for a number of currencies over a number of time frames. As you can see, the RSI is pretty neutral at the moment. It is the end of the Asian market, so things are pretty slow in the market, and you can actually view this these readings for the CCI, the MACD, and the moving average. So it's a very quick overview of the market. That's why we call it the 360 degree overview. It gives fantastic information about which currencies are currently strong, which ones are weak, and how the indicators are showing the strength of the various currencies. Now, for more information about this 360 indicator, please use the link shown in this video, or click on the link shown in the description of this video, either in YouTube or on their websites. From me, Alex Deployer, cheerio.